You search how to buy shares of Caisse Reg Cred Agric Mut Tourain Poitou, a regional cooperative bank listed on Euronext under the ticker CRTO.PA. This video explains the practical steps. This is an educational guide and not financial advice. To purchase shares, you need a broker. We use eToro as an example to show the process. After signing up, you must verify your account, usually with an ID document, and add funds before buying. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker CRTO.PA to find the listing. Make sure the search result names the correct company before opening its page. On the asset page, you'll find basic company information and a price chart for CRTO.PA. Double-check the company name and the Euronext listing to confirm it is the right share. To place an order, click Invest, enter the amount you want to buy, then review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may execute in the next session, and the platform will prompt you to add funds if your balance is insufficient. After execution, the new position will appear in your portfolio. A link to eToro is available in the description if you want to follow the same steps.